Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, compass. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.